Hey there, how you doing? I'm gonna do an unboxing. Haven't done one for ages. So this is the Samsung S20 Plus 5G model, and I'm doing the review because I've actually bought this from an online shop, which is clearly from China. So it arrives with a UK adapter plug because inside here will be only what is appropriate for other countries. So this is not a UK spec model. I think it's the European model that I've got. It's the G986 BD5G. I've got it in the grey version, but to be perfectly frank, I was willing to take the chance because it was so much less money. Rather than £899, it was £599, so a considerable saving. This is from Tech in the Basket. I bought myself a Samsung watch. Oh, where's that picture gone? Bought myself a Samsung watch. Let's take this off and show you. Dangle it over the screen. So I bought that from Tech in the Basket, and that was a considerable saving. And it arrived all as expected, all fine. So I thought, I'm going to take a punt and to unleash some of the features of this watch that I wasn't getting with my Huawei, which was Samsung Pay I wanted to do. With everything that's happened with the coronavirus, I wanted to get more digital with my paying system and embrace the technology. So I bought this, but some of the features of my Huawei Mate 20X weren't compatible. This is the Mate 20X here. Okay, so very large. This is, I think, 7.2-inch screen. Fantastic phone. It's been brilliant, I have to say. Unfortunately, I did break it in the first day of owning it. Broke the glass on the back of it. It was not a big deal. When it's in a cover, you wouldn't even know. But I wanted, but it's been near impossible to get a back cover for it. Certainly one from Huawei. So anyway, look, let's open this up and see what's going on. So it's totally unopened. It's got the security seals on the back here, which seem to be very difficult to get into for some reason. And okay, there we go. And open it up and see what it's inside. I want to compare the size. I think is it a 6.7-inch screen? So there's the phone, looking rather delicious. I moved away from Samsung a while ago and bought Huawei because I wanted a big screen so I could use the phone with my drones. I'm a professional drone pilot as well as an osteopath. And the curved screen is a pain when drone flying because some of the functions on the screen that you require around the edge of the screen. This has a much less bevel on it than the previous ones. But the idea is I was going to buy actually a second SIM. My phone number is a fantastic phone number for memorable numbers. So I'm going to transfer that into this phone. This is the plan. And then maybe get another SIM card for my old Huawei and keep using that. When you're drone flying, often there's updates, so it's very handy to have your screen connected to the internet in case something changes just prior to a flight. You can literally get your kit all checked and ready an hour or two before a flight, and when you're on the site, so there's an update and you need to update it there and then. So that's why being connected to the net with your drone controller is pretty important. So that's the phone there. Let's pop my Huawei out of its cover. So that's the two compared in size. So if I try and hold up, so it's not a huge heap of beans. I'd say centimetre taller. But this is 6.7, this is 7.2. It's certainly a broader, wider phone than Huawei. It's a longer, thinner phone, I'd say, the Samsung. Whoops. Right, still got its plastic cover on. So there we are, side by side. So it's quite a difference, but I've got very large hands. I've never had a problem with the size of the phone. I presume it's touchscreen security. Let's get that off that page. Right. Struggling to get the security area. So there we are. That's the difference in size. Let's see what else there is in the box. So the phone, we'll put that over there. There is a piece of card with nothing on it. Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on, that's bizarre. So this is as it happens. It's just opened up. It has a UK plug on it. So what's the adapter for? Very strange indeed. So maybe it is a UK model. How fantastic is that? I mean that's made my day. I'm exchanging some cameras at the moment so I can get the new Canon R5, and the company I'm dealing with has just replied to me saying that I've sent them. They've downgraded them, which I don't really understand why, because they're in very, very good condition. They've put them as heavily worn, so I'm waiting to speak to them. So that's ruined my day, and this has improved my day. So this is has a USB earphones here, and a selection of sizes for the earpieces. So we'll look forward to hear the quality of those. I'm enjoying my high quality streaming at the moment with Cobos. Very good if you've not tried Cobos, and Radio Paradise as well. Very good. So anything inside this little box? I'm not sure where the little SIM card thing is. Not in there. Not in there. Probably in this side. Let's have a look. Come on. There we go. So there's another little. I'm very pleased with that. So another little box here, and that's another interesting thing. Previous openings I've seen, it didn't include. There's the SIM card ejector. The other openings didn't include a plastic case. So there that is. That's fantastic as well. So double surprises. So just some literature in there, nothing that interesting. Thank you for watching. There is the new Ultra S20. No, not Ultra, Plus S20. There is a Samsung 20 Mate X, the large one. But obviously Samsung's got the problem with Google and the United States. Not Samsung, Huawei's got the problem with Google. So that's why I'm steering away from this, because I just see this having future problems. And there is the Active 2, Samsung Active 2, which I'm hoping will match up nicely with this phone. So, and hopefully soon get the updates for blood pressure monitoring and ECG that's meant to go with this. But this has proved a very good smartwatch. Right, thank you for watching. Let's get this cranked up and see how it rock and rolls. Cheers now, bye. Right, here we go. These are the two phones set up now. On the right is my old Huawei Mate 20X. And here on the left is my new Samsung S20 Plus. That's 5G. Nice screens, as you can see. Quite a difference in size. I do miss the big size. It is very large on the Huawei Mate and brilliant for my droning. But I wanted something smaller. But I might be able to use this. The edges are far less beveled than they used to be, which is great. So when I've got the DJI app, if something's down along this edge, it's not difficult to reach. But yeah, two different sizes, as you can see. And it doesn't seem like much in it, but there is a difference. And this is a lot longer and narrower. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll give you a review in a little while's time once I've got used to the phone. I still can't get a Samsung Pay to work on my Active 2, which is the main reason I first bought the Active 2 watch, and then I changed to the phone. And even now I've got the phone, it still doesn't work. So slightly annoying there, Samsung. Not sure what that's all about. I'm in the UK, it should work here. Yeah, no idea why not. Thank you. Catch you later.